Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and simplest way to get GEICO car insurance in 2025. Whether it's your first time buying insurance or you're switching providers, I'll guide you through every step so you can get your quote quickly and without any hassle. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to geico.com. Once you're on the homepage, enter your ZIP code at the top and click Go. Then select Auto from the list and hit Start My Quote. You might see a small pop-up asking if you want to add home insurance. You can choose to include it or skip it. Either option works. Just click Continue. Next, fill in your personal information. Start with your date of birth, then your full name and address. If you opted for home insurance, confirm that the address is the one you want to cover. Now it's time to add your vehicle details. Enter the year, make, and model of your car, then select ownership options, usage, and estimated mileage. You can also add additional cars if needed. After that, provide your gender, marital status, and social security number, then continue with your insurance history. Indicate how long you've had coverage and if you've been insured in the last 30 days. Next, select your body injury limits. Enter your license age and issue date, then provide your education, industry, and job position. You can also add another driver at this stage if needed. Choose your insurance start date, and if you added home insurance, enter basic information about your property. Continue filling out the forms until you reach the discounts page. Only select discounts that apply to you. You may see additional offers from GEICO, which you can accept or decline. Finally, enter your email and phone number, click Get My Quote, and that's it. Your GEICO car insurance quote is ready, and all that's left is to complete the payment. And there you go, a quick and stress-free way to get GEICO car insurance in 2025. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching.